The Washington Mystics were excited to start fresh this season with new talent, but their plans took a serious hit when rookie point guard Georgia Amoore suffered a knee injury just weeks before the season opened. During a routine practice, she injured her right ACL, and while it's not confirmed to be a full tear, it could sideline her for 6 to 9 months, effectively ending her rookie season. Amoore was expected to play a key role in the team's rebuild, bringing leadership and strong playmaking abilities to floor. Losing her now is a tough blow for both her and the Mystics, who had high hopes for her to lead their transformation.
In the meantime, the Mystics will lean on their veterans and other young talents to step up, all while keeping their long-term vision for the team intact.